I'm going to be sharing with you today 5 quick and easy sheet pan meals. I love using a sheet pan to put together a whole dinner. I always add on my baking mat because it just makes cleanup so much easier. But a quick dinner to put together, pop it in the oven, and you're good to go. So I love quick dinner ideas. If you need some motivation on some quick and easy recipes to serve for your family, make sure you click subscribe to my channel. I love sharing my easy recipes with you. So let's get into these 5 quick and easy sheet pan meals. So this is going to be a shrimp and chicken apple sausage sheet pan meal. I have some frozen shrimp that's defrosted. It still has the tail on. I have my chicken apple sausage. I cut up 2 of the links of the chicken apple sausage. I'm gonna add on some zucchini and yellow squash. Cut this up into some small pieces as well, just putting everything together right on the sheet pan. I have a red onion. I'm using about 1/4 of the red onion cut up into some small pieces. So just add that right on top. I am going to add some grape tomatoes. I love grape tomatoes. They have such a wonderful flavor. I am gonna add on some olive oil. I love spraying it on. It really helps coat it evenly, and you can use a little bit less of the olive oil. So I love the sprayer. I am adding on some Lowry seasoning salt, some garlic powder as well. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna bake this for about 15 to 18 minutes, and it is delicious. I'm gonna do some chicken thighs. So I'm gonna add them to my bowl. And I'm going to add in some teriyaki sauce. And this is gonna be a really nice like Hawaiian chicken. And I just love chicken thighs in the oven. Super easy on the sheet pan. I'm adding in some olive oil as well, some garlic powder also. And I'm gonna wanna marinate this for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm adding in some paprika and just add in your favorite seasoning. So now I'm gonna kind of mix this around and get this chicken kind of submerged into the yummy sauce for about 20, 30 minutes in the fridge. So now I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna line these chicken thighs out on my baking mat. And I'm doing quite a few chicken thighs. I just love making a big batch of these. They are great for leftovers. So I have a red bell pepper that I have diced up into some small pieces. I also have some pineapple chunks. So I'm just gonna pull out the chunks and kind of drain that juice. I'm just gonna sprinkle these pineapple chunks over here. Such a great combo with this teriyaki sauce. I have an onion also cut up into some small pieces. I used about 1/2 of the white onion. And my oven is preheated. I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 30 minutes. Serve with some rice, super good. I have this smoked sausage cut into some coins. Really so easy with this smoked sausage and so versatile. I have cheese ravioli, so these are just frozen. I'm just pouring these right over my sheet pan. And my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So I have a sweet potato and I've cut it into some small pieces. I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle this olive oil all over the raviolis and the sausage. Now I'm gonna add some salt. I love this pink Himalayan salt. And I have some black pepper also. Just gonna sprinkle on the tops. So I'm going to mix this around so that all of the raviolis are coated in the olive oil. This is so easy. This is a huge hit with my kids. And I'm gonna bake this in the oven. Here it is, all good. It baked in the oven for about 20 minutes. And I just love this. It is such an awesome, just throw it on one sheet pan meal. And it is a huge hit. So good. So I'm going to be cutting up some sweet potatoes. So I cut them in some kind of strip pieces first, and then I'll add it to my vegetable chopper. And I love that my veggie chopper just makes them all the same size. And so these sweet potatoes just cook the same, so evenly. I absolutely love that. So I'm just cutting this sweet potato up, and now I'll put it into my little veggie chopper. It just makes things really easy. I just love, like I said, how it makes them all the same size. So just kind of push down on this. So this is gonna be, once I have these sweet potatoes cut up into some small pieces, this is gonna be a turkey patty with a side of sweet potatoes. So I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So once I have this all assembled onto my sheet pan, I will bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm going to add on some seasoning salt as well. Add in some garlic powder also. I'm going to add in I'm going to toss these with some tongs and just coat it all with the olive oil. So I'm using ground turkey and I'm using an onion soup mix packet. This stuff has so much flavor. You can do ground beef if you would like. Just gonna make this a lot greasier on your sheet pan. Ground turkey is so lean. There's not a lot of grease, which I absolutely love. So I can just cook all of this right here on one sheet pan. And then dinner is just ready to go all in one shot. So I'm just gonna form these into kind of a round patty, and you can serve these on buns when you're done, or you could just do a regular patty, which is what we kind of like to do. It's just really easy, really great. I'm gonna add in some onion as well, which is optional. I just love them with my sweet potatoes. So give this a little mix. I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look how wonderful this dinner is. So I'm gonna do some pesto chicken strips. So I'm going to fly open my chicken and I'm gonna cut it into some strips. You can get the chicken already in the strips if you like at the store, but it's just easy to fly it and then cut it into some strips. So I have some pesto, and I love this one, but you can make your own pesto, super easy also. But I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of pesto, and then I have some mayonnaise as well that I'm going to mix with the pesto. And this is gonna make this super creamy. So I have about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix these together, and then I am going to coat these chicken strips with this yummy pesto. And baking these in the oven on my sheet pan. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, but baking these, they stay super tender, juicy, and really, really flavorful with this pesto. So I'm just coating each one, and then once they're ready to go, I will add them to my baking mat lined cookie sheet. I love using a baking mat. You can use parchment paper also, but the baking mat is just really easy to clean, so I love it. I'm using some green beans as our veggie tonight. You can do whatever your favorite roasted veggies are. You can add potatoes onto here, broccoli, anything you would like. Sweet potatoes are great. I'm gonna add some olive oil to these veggies, give them some vegetable seasoning as well. So season how you like. You can add in garlic powder, onion powder, just however you want to season your veggies. Give them a little toss to coat them in that olive oil. And then I'm also going to add in some cherry tomatoes, which I love. And this goes perfect with the pesto and the green beans. So I'm just gonna add these on to the side. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees. These will take about 25 minutes. Look how great it turned out. And you have your whole dinner on one sheet pan. It makes cleanup super easy, really delicious, really quick as well. I hope you loved these sheet pan meals. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure you put a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I post multiple videos a week, so I hope to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.